Hello everyone, this is Panda. I am a photographer and I am staying here at the Northwest Portland International Hostel. Now, as you can see, you guys seen the tour already, but lately I've been having an issue with Amazon for the last couple of months now. But this issue has gone back as 4 years with Amazon. But in the last 2 years, since Amazon has put their own mail-in service into place, it hasn't been going good for me. So, and for the guests that have stayed here, and for the staff that actually work here. And obviously, this is the building. But what I don't quite understand is to the drivers that have been delivering and our packages to other locations. That's what's been going on lately. Yes, packages have been dropped off at other addresses. How can you miss this big sign that says Portland International Hospital and Guests? I'm not done. Hold on. If you look closely, Amazon, office next door. On the building it says office next door. This is the office. Right here, this big window. But here's the kicker. In front of the building here has the address. It says 479 International Hospital, right? It has this sign that says it. Big window. How can you miss it, Amazon drivers? How can you miss it? Now, Amazon, I've been calling you guys back to back, but this week alone, I called you guys back Monday, Wednesday, this morning, last week, the week before, and you guys never resolved the issue. So here it is, everyone. Amazon drivers, young, incompetent, cannot make better judgments for themselves. You're driving down Northwest 18th Street and you're telling me you don't see that very big sign when you're driving down the street. Not only that, look, what does that say? Northwest Portland Guest House. You're close. That means, mind you, the hostel owns this building, this house, that building. This is a law firm. And mind you, one of the packages was dropped off 2 blocks down the street. One package was actually dropped off at this address. That's 1812. How you get 1812 mixed up with 479 Northwest 18th? So, walk around the building really quickly. That is the Flanders house, right? That's a parking lot. So where are you dropping the packages off, and where are you, as the driver, come up with this seclusion that you dropped it off at the right location? So, ladies and gentlemen, this video is intended for Amazon, and this is intended for Amazon in Portland. This is the Northwest Portland Hostel on the left hand side of the street. My question is, why isn't Amazon hasn't dealt with this problem? This has been going on for way too long, and as a Prime member and as an Amazon affiliate, I feel obligated to tell you guys that sometimes Amazon is not the best way for photography gear to be bought. And this is why I'm trying to emphasize and trying to connect with B&H and Prime, so I can get those affiliate links, so I can replace those affiliate links and not use Amazon anymore. Because it seems like Amazon does not care about this situation. Not only that, I didn't even get my package. Not only that, the package that was supposed to come, it's already 2 days late. Somehow it got lost while in Portland on the way here on the day it's supposed to be delivered, which was the day before yesterday. Like I said, the incompetency with these drivers. They don't care. They have apps. They have software. They use it on their phone to pinpoint where they're supposed to drop off the packages. I know how it works, Amazon. I explained this to your, me and your supervisors have talked before many times. But you cannot miss this place. If you're driving down Northwest 18th Street, you cannot miss this place. It's impossible. And this is why I emphasize, if someone from Germany, someone from Japan, especially from Japan, never been in the States the first time, and they're using the phone to locate this place, why can't you do the exact same thing? Or use your common sense. You know, with Northwest Portland, this is it. This has got to be it. Office is there. And mind you, that only the staff are allowed to receive the mail and deliver it or distribute it to the guests. So all the mail comes through the front office. But here's another issue that Amazon drivers fail to do. Amazon drivers fail to actually take a photograph of when they drop off a package. They're supposed to take a photograph with the phone they are being provided as a driver. Take a picture and upload it, said in the location where they drop off the package. But that never happened, and it only happened one time, and that was in June. And I was surprised. I'm like, okay, he took a picture inside the office, but that was the last time it actually ever worked. But anyway, guys, just want to give you guys something to emphasize. And Amazon, with that said,